Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. This is unbelievable how you can clean almost your entire bathroom with this stuff. No, it's not whipped cream. No, it is not frosting. No, it is not ice cream. For those of you that know, put it in the comments box right now and I will share at the end of the video what this creamy goodness is right here. What you're gonna need is just this, I'll share with you in a second, and a broom. Why your broom? Well, woo! Look at that, it kind of looks like Play-Doh in there. You're gonna lather up your bathtub real nice. You can also use this on your toilet, in your sinks. You can do it on the wall. It spreads easily and nicely, and the broom is great so that you can save your back. You can spread it with the broom if you absolutely want to. But I love this because look at these bristles. This is durable. Brooms are cheap. You can get in there and everywhere. It's got the nice angle to it, so you can get in the cracks and the little nooks and crannies along the side, just like this. But the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse this out and do a little bit of a scrubbing with our broom. Wow, much better. I needed 2 hands for that. Now, something unbelievable happened when I did this. As I rinsed it down, there was all this yellow film alongside the pink because it had built up around the edge right here. I have 4 children, if you are brand new right here, but I could not see it very well with the naked eye, but when the pink stuff that I used was all around it, yes, also it's really great for buffing and shining up your faucets. All right, do you wanna know what I used? Dun dun dun, the pink stuff. The miracle cleaning paste. What will you use it for? I love this, especially if you have some really hard lines on your toilet, in your bathtub, in your sink. Polish it on and then let it sit, and then give the broom a shot when it comes to clean. I mean, you can even clean your walls with your broom to get those high to reach places. Oh, and I should also mention, in case you are curious, 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic, non-hazardous formulation, not tested on animals. All right, check out this video on screen now, which is what happens when you dump washing powder down your toilet. Give this video a thumbs up. By the way, this video is not sponsored. This is linked in my Amazon store in case you are interested. Sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.